channel. Today we're making Burke's Christmas cookies. Well, why are they mine? First you have to wash your hands. I forgot. Oh wait, forgot. So step 1, open up the package. We have to preheat the oven to 350. Okay. Oh wait, first I'm gonna eat one. Oh, that's so good. I was hungry, so okay, first you have to set them on the pan, or whatever it's called. I'm a big boy! I'm a big boy! Okay, sorry. Gotta see if I can solve this. If I solve this, I'll get 1 million subscribers. Wait, I already have 1 million subscribers. I should make a video to celebrate. Maybe I should be the video right now. Guys, thank you for giving me 1 million subscribers. Okay, there we go. Okay. I know this looks like normal cookies. What makes them Burke Cookies? I almost said Burke Cookies. I'm making them, so crazy. I'm putting them together. They're all getting smushed. We have to add chocolate, which Bo the Elf gave me. I forgot to tell you guys. First, you have to put like holes in them. And then build them. Hold on, let me eat some of this. Okay. Man, that's so good. So you have to like kind of bury them under the, and then you'll just taste all the chocolate. Have an adult put them in the oven. Alexa, set a 10-minute timer. Oh shoot, I almost
10 minutes.
So guys, we're back to the video. Sorry, we had a big conversation how the cookies were gonna taste. I bet they were gonna taste. I don't think they're actually gonna taste chocolate. A B C D E F G H I D K L M N O P G R S S Subway. Okay, I can do it. They're beautiful, yeah, but I'm pretty sure it'll be okay. My finger on it, not that hot. Good. Bye, guys. Make sure I hit 1 million subscribers. Bye. Okay, thank you for selling me this cool apron to Venus Market, whatever. Please send me to Disney World since I feed you. To feed this Italian market. Ooh, ah, ba, boo, ba, boo. Ooh, ah, ba, boo, ba, boo. Ooh, ah, ba, boo.